In this video, we're going to be checking out the 10 best creams. So, you looking for the best budget, dry skin, dry hands, creams will have the product for you. You can buy it, right now. I made this list, based on my own opinion and research, and I have listed them based on quality and price. If you want more information and updates on pricing mentioned on the product, be sure to check the links in the description below.
The Tiege Hanley AM Moisturizer with an SPF 20 has a very light and bright scent you'll love. Our daily moisturizer is super light and doesn't leave your skin looking wet or oily, but it will leave you looking amazing by keeping your face hydrated and handsome all day long. To use, dispense a small pea-sized dab onto your finger. Distribute the moisturizer onto your other finger. Evenly distribute all over your face and neck and gently rub until fully absorbed into your skin. AM goes on top of all other products you may have applied prior. AM is like the protective coating that finishes off your morning routine.
Hey you guys, it's Sarah. So I know everyone has their favorite beauty obsessions, but this is mine. Say hello to Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. First off, it's scent, okay? It smells like the beach. It smells like vacation. I'm on vacation right now. When you wear this, people will notice. Get ready for a lot of compliments. And don't even get me started about the texture. It is so soft and so moisturizing. It sinks right into your skin. It's amazing. This is about to go everywhere. And it's full of Brazilian ingredients such as guarana, which is naturally caffeinated and energizing. I just learned how to say guarana. It also has cupuaçu butter in it, coconut oil, and acai. So it's super nourishing and really moisturizing for your skin. After my Boom Boom Cream, my skin feels so tight and so smooth. It also leaves me with a subtle shimmer all day, which is really beautiful. I've never found a body cream like this before. I'm obsessed. They call it the Boom Boom effect, and let me tell you, it is real. I'm obsessed, and you should be too.
AmLactin is more than a moisturizer. AmLactin's therapeutic moisturizers gently exfoliate plus deeply hydrate to relieve your dry skin. Other everyday moisturizers may only compress and smooth the top layer of your skin. Without exfoliation, the top layer will return to its dry appearance, causing you to apply and reapply. AmLactin products do more than just moisturize. Our moisturizers contain beneficial levels of lactic acid that gently exfoliates rough, flaky, dry skin, plus deeply hydrates to reveal your underlying healthy-looking skin. AmLactin is the daily moisturizer that gently exfoliates plus deeply hydrates to make your skin soft plus smooth. That's the power of the plus.
My heel is always dry, and because of that, there's huge cracks, and these huge cracks turn into massive pain. It was to a point where I had to walk with a limp. So I tried all of these over-the-counter lotions, the common brands that you would find in stores. I'm not sure what was in those lotions, but they didn't work. So I started using Miracle Foot Repair, and that changed everything. When I had those huge cracks and I was in all this pain, then within a few minutes, and I'm not kidding, within a few minutes, the Miracle Foot Repair would heal that pain, would just remedy the pain. And there wouldn't be cracking. So no more pain of having those huge deep cracks in my heels. It's real natural, very natural. So I don't know what kind of chemicals are used in these other products, but for me, this aloe is really what works. I don't have to deal with the daily pain, the disgusting look of a cracked heel. I'm back to being normal again, and it's thanks to Miracle Foot Repair.
Good morning, guys. It's about 6 a.m. right now. I'm the only one awake. And here we go. I start the day with a meditation. I always make sure to moisturize after washing my hands to keep my skin soft. I make a superfood coffee with breakfast. and I'm slowly easing back into my yoga practice after giving birth. At the end of a long day, I love to draw a bath just to get rid of any energy that I've picked up throughout the day. After my bath, I like to moisturize all over with Aquaphor Ointment body spray. After this, I'm gonna go hang out with my husband, maybe read a little, and then get some sleep so that I can get up and do it all over again tomorrow.
I'm L'Occitane brand ambassador Juliana, here to show you our iconic Shea hand cream. One of our hand creams is sold every 2 seconds around the world, and that's because of the high concentration of quality ingredients. You only need a small amount to get the benefits of 20% shea butter from West Africa. That's to moisturize and help protect your hands with a fresh, powdery scent. Our hand cream also has almond extract, coconut oil, and honey extract. It's truly a skin savior.
Elizabeth Parker's foot cream brings relief to dry, cracked heels and soothes inflammation, leaving skin supple, smooth, and healthy. Made with only the finest ingredients such as aloe vera, raw manuka honey, sahami, coconut oil, shea butter, and more, our cream provides the needed nutrients to get skin healing fast. It is non-greasy and soaks in quickly to instantly start working. Perfume-free, cruelty-free, and chemical-free, Elizabeth Parker's foot cream works to soothe, repair, and replenish, leaving skin healthy and happy. We are so confident in our product that we offer a 30-day, love it or your money back guarantee.
For more than 70 years, CETAPHIL has been intimately studying sensitive skin and partnered with dermatologists to identify 5 key signs of skin sensitivity: dryness, irritation, roughness, tightness, and weakened skin barrier. CETAPHIL's products have been scientifically formulated to defend against these 5 signs by supporting the skin's natural barrier, boosting hydration, and soothing skin. Dermatologist recommended. Complete care for sensitive skin.
Is your skin so dry that a daily moisturizer isn't enough? Flexitol Very Dry Skin Cream provides fast-acting, visible results in one day. With its rich, non-greasy formula, it's suitable for use on very dry, cracked, or itchy skin. Flexitol Very Dry Skin Cream contains exfoliating ingredients which assist in the removal of dead skin cells. Its clinically tested formula leaves skin hydrated for 24 hours and increases skin hydration by up to 52%.
When your skin is feeling dry and crinkly, time for Gold Bond Healing Lotion. Penetrates 10 surface layers deep with 7 moisturizers, 3 vitamins. Skin is nourished, healed, healthy looking. Gold Bond Healing. Ultimate Lotion, Ultimate Skin.
We hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.